Right, DJ, music please. Thưa từng trải yêu lọ nọ muốn về mùa Kimberly cao lìa sảnh mùa. Kimberly lưu học kia yêu một là một y pharmacist. In her spare time, she enjoys singing, dancing, volleyball, soccer, pickleball, reading, and spending time with family and friends. She was president of Student Council, a member of Sources of Strength. She was a recipient of the Equity in Education Student Success Award, given to only 1% of local K-12 students. She was a writer for a high school journalism club, had a lead role in a middle school musical. She was also the only freshman girl in high school in a high school musical cast. She was featured as a vocalist in her school district's kickoff music video. She placed first in a high school talent show as well as a Hmong singing contest at the age of 12. She was former co-captain of Royal Dynasty Hmong dance team, leading to 3 first-place victories in 2023. She also sang the national anthem at Senator Jamie Wall's inauguration and selected for homecoming court freshman and sophomore years. Power Jordan sponsors Rato Kimberly của công nghệ sĩ từ Sông Nò Yong, Jordan Tao and Pana Tao of Love LLC. Tu Long Yang of Creative Results, Vic Moa of V-Man Photography, Cher Yang, Mr. Hmong Oklahoma 2018, Dr. Chinu Lee and wife Miss Hmong America 2014 Alyssa Zhang, August Feng Chang, Mr. Hmong Royalty 2024 First Runner-Up, Cindy Tao, tiếp tục cơ nhỏ vui mùa. Kimberly, what's one skill every teen should learn to succeed? What's one skill every teen should learn to succeed?
Could you please repeat that question?
What's one skill every teen should learn to succeed?
A skill I believe every teen should learn in order to succeed is to appreciate those who help you. I believe that we do not succeed on our own. We succeed when we work with a team. I believe that when we are able to work with a team, the best ideas come out of it. And so I want every teen to know out there, especially our Hmong youth, that we do not work alone. We work together. And as a Hmong community, I see so much collaboration in each of our events. And so I hope and I want our Hmong teens and youth to know that you are not alone, and that when you are in a group, when you can work together and appreciate those who help you, you can succeed and achieve your goals in life. Thank you.
Kimberly Galia sing more. Judges, you have 2 minutes. Tuần sai mong bề bùa các trại sinh ly. Các trại lưu học here is Sakaloi to NICU nurse. Ganjai enjoys volunteering for the Aspires Hospital and the Hmong American Center. She enjoys being active in the community and in school events, exploring new and fun-like opportunities, volleyball, playing instruments including violin, French horn, mellophone, and trumpet. Ganjai is a member of the following: Raise Your Voice Club, Youth Culture Club, Hmong Dance Club, and the Pre-Med Club. She performs with Silver Strings, Top Hatters Jazz Band, and Prestige Choir. Power the sponsors was Ganjai công cùng cái chi từ dòng nói Sandy Town Photography, Carissa Hmong Clothes, Sia Vu of the Spicy Kitchen, Pageant, Miss Hmong Wisconsin 2025 Second Princess, Chi Tao, Chu Yang, Hua Zhang, Cassie Lee, Kia Tao, Mai Ku Tao, Mai Vang Hua, Tang Hyung, Orlando Tao, Shang Lee, Tiếp tục cơ yo, Yer Tao. Ganjai, what's one important thing people should understand about themselves? Iya, chuyện kiến của tí nên nhớ chủ tao tao cho là tụ khen, giờ đã chỉ. Của yêu nụ có ý trong gì? What's one important thing people should understand about themselves? Iya, chuyện kiến của tí nên nhớ chủ tao tao cho là tụ khen, giờ đã chỉ.
Could you please repeat that question?
Ganjai lalu idea. What's one important thing people should understand about themselves? Iya, chuyện kiến của tí nên nhớ chủ tao tao cho là tụ khen, giờ đã chỉ.
I believe that one important thing that people should understand about themselves is that you are not always going to be perfect. Many people strive to be perfect, and those mistakes that they made, those imperfections, they get very, very, upset about it. But I think people should just understand that not everything's going to go your way, not everything's going to be perfect, and that it's going to be okay in the end. Thank you.
Ganjai St. Lee. Judges, you have 2 minutes. Tu sẽ chỉ tỏ lo tổng tên là tuần sai mong bề bùa ba kỳ sỉnh vàng. Bà kỳ lưu học here yêu cầu lỗi từ emergency doctor. Her hobbies and interests include competitive Hmong dance, journaling, reading, and skincare. But Page's current extracurricular activities are: she is the president of student government and key club in her junior and senior year, Milwaukee Youth Commissioner. She was the winner of Old Navy Pitch, National Honor Society, writer for a newspaper club, and she is a member of the Boys and Girls Club. The sponsors, Outcast Alterations LLC, Pa and Danny Lee of First Financial Security, Vu Vang of Viet Toy, John Vang and Chow Tao, TJ Yang, My Hmong Dance and Entertainment YouTube channel. How do your strengths and talents make a difference? How do your strengths and talents make a difference?
My strengths and talents that help me become successful is that I am able to connect with others. As I look around here, I see so many familiar faces who come and support me because I know that I have helped support them, and I want to continue that strong connection. But some talents that I possess is that I'm able to learn, and I'm able to have the ability to quick on quickly, which allows me to contribute to so many things for my clubs. As I am the president of both Key Club and student government, I have the ability to make events successful due to my quick thinking. Thank you.
Judges who have